With me. So yesterday, you and I talked about how Trump wanted a $100 million bond instead of paying the whole thing. What exactly does the judge think about that?
Judge didn't think very much about it, Chris, because Trump was essentially trying to play let's make a deal to a court of law that is charged with enforcing legal obligations. And New York state law is pretty particular. It says that where you're ordered to pay a sum of money, you have to put up an undertaking in the sum of the amount you're ordered to pay in order to secure a stay as you go through the appeals process. And so they're not going to allow Trump to circumvent that, at least not on an interim basis. Judge Anil Singh said, yes, I will grant you relief from a couple facets of this judgment. In particular, you can borrow money. Your sons can run the business right now, but I won't relieve you of the monetary obligation to secure a stay.
Which means what?
Which means that unless and until a full panel of the New York Appellate Division, that's the first level of appeals court here in New York State, relieves him from that obligation between March 18th and March 25th. March 18th is when the briefing will be complete. March 25th is when that bond is due. That's what he'll have to pay. He'll have to pay all of it.
So we could start seeing potentially some of his properties going on the market. We could, what are the options here?
I think the options
That seems like a lot of money in a short period of time that he doesn't seem to think or hasn't said he has.
Well, yesterday's order may solve some of that problem for him. In allowing him to borrow from financial institutions that are registered or chartered with New York State, that opens up some avenues for Trump in terms of borrowing. He had complained to the judge yesterday that he wasn't able to secure a surety bond, in part because of those restrictions on his borrowing. So we'll see on or before March 25th if this loosens anything for Donald Trump and allows him some financing that he says right now he doesn't otherwise have.
Lisa Rubin, don't go far. We've got other stuff to talk to you about today.